If someone tells you that I do know how to cook, tell them that they're lying. The Cooking Angel is back again with another recipe. Subscribe and let's get into it. Guys, so today we're going to be making a very easy and simple banana bread recipe. So this was actually like my third time of making this, and I was so glad that I was able to perfect the recipe. So add 4 bananas into a bowl, and then you're going to mash that up till they become really soft. Then you come in with 1 egg. Just 1 is enough, guys. Then add in 1/3 cup of milk. Ingredients are going to be in the description box, so please check it out. Add oil, and also come in with sugar. You don't need to add too much, honestly, because banana is already sweet. Yeah, so now you're going to mix that all together before we start to add, our dry ingredients such as flour. So we're going to need about 1 cup and then 1/3 cup of flour. Yeah, so you're gonna save that because we don't want any lumps or nothing inside our banana bread, guys. So you're gonna save it, and if you have a bigger sieve, you're done in 1 swoop, but I don't, so we use what we have. So now you're gonna come in with baking soda and baking powder. Guys, if you don't want your banana bread to be airy, then don't add it. But who eats dense banana bread? Guys, I've made it before and it wasn't good, so I'll try and insert a picture somewhere. So make sure you add in baking powder or baking soda. What I used was baking soda, guys. So now we're going to come in with our chocolate. I used 2 chocolate, and then you're just going to put our all together, and you're gonna mix it, guys. It doesn't need so much mixing. If I had like a spatula, I would have used it, but I do not have, so I just stick to a whisk. So now to oil your pan, you're gonna just use if you have a parchment paper, fine, but if you don't have a parchment paper, you can just oil your pan, and then you're gonna put in flour inside, and just gonna make sure it goes around all the parts of the pan. Now I'm going to start talking about baking. So baking this, I'm baking it in a gas oven. So if you have a gas oven where you put on the top and the bottom, you don't need to put it on high heat, put it on low heat, and make sure you preheat your oven before you put your banana bread batter into the oven. So yeah, you're gonna leave it on low heat and then let it cook for about 30 minutes. Then you check it. If it still needs more time, then you can now leave it in for another 10 to 15 minutes, guys. It doesn't actually pass 45 minutes. Your banana bread is always going to be ready in 45 minutes, even if you're using a gas oven. So yeah, so now that I've explained that, I hope you understand why I did not now even show the process of me putting this banana bread into the oven. I just showed you when it was already out. So if you have a lid for your baking pan, you can use it, but if you don't, that's okay. We can just move on, guys. It's ready, but you have to let it cool. If you don't let it cool, your banana bread can cut, it can break inside the inside the pan. So let it cool before you bring it out, and then you now cut this open. Guys, it's so tasty. And when you're checking whether your banana bread is done in the oven, please use a toothpick. Don't use a knife. If you use a knife, you might end up having some slices of your banana bread cut in half because you already shook knife inside. Do you understand? And knife is really big. So guys, that's really how to make banana bread. I hope you do, or you did enjoy this recipe, and look at that chocolate goodness. I'll see you in my next one. Subscribe. Bye.